get all books for category is basically the same as get all categories of a book, except in reverse. Here we grabbed all the categories, in other words list of categories for a single book, and now we do it in reverse and get in list of all books for a single category. So I'm going to copy get all categories of a book and paste it in get all books for category. Now since we are going to be returning a list of books, we don't want this to be category DTO, we want it to be IEnumerable of book DTO. And we don't want this to be called categories, but rather books. So this is gonna be our new list of book DTO type. Then we go to our HTTP client and make the call to localhost/API, and the rest of the URI, if you look into documentation, is /categories and then category ID and then /books. So I'll delete this part, and after the categories it's going to be the category ID, that's the argument inside this method. So I'll enter that, and after that we have another slash and then books. So this is the full URI for this API call. We wait for the response to be finished and grab the result. Then we read the content, which in this case is going to be, of course, list of book DTO that is going to be then passed inside the books variable that we have. And at the end we will return the list of books that we grabbed. And as always, the list can be either empty if there are no books for this category, or it will contain all the books that belong to that particular category for the category ID that is the argument in this method. And with this, our category repository GUI class implemented all 4 methods that we have in the interface for the categories. And next we can start creating the actions.